Living in New Orleans means enjoying rich culture, historic neighborhoods, and warm coastal breezes. But it also means your home takes a beating from heat, humidity, storms, and seasonal weather swings. Your windows are on the front lines of that battle. If they're no longer doing their job, they could be costing you comfort, money, and peace of mind. Here are the clearest signs your New Orleans home may need replacement windows now. Your energy bills keep climbing. If your cooling costs seem higher every summer, your windows may be to blame. Older or damaged windows allow cooled air to escape while letting hot, humid air seep inside. In New Orleans' long cooling season, inefficient windows force your AC to work overtime. Modern replacement windows with energy-efficient glass and tight seals can dramatically reduce energy loss and help keep your home comfortable without driving up utility bills. You feel heat, drafts, or moisture near the windows. Stand near your windows on a hot day. Do you feel warm air leaking in? Notice moisture buildup or condensation between glass panes. These are clear signs the window seal has failed. In our humid climate, failed seals can quickly lead to mold growth and interior damage. Replacement windows create a strong barrier against moisture and heat, protecting both your home and your indoor air quality. Your windows are hard to open or close. Windows should open smoothly and close securely. If yours stick, jam, or won't stay open, it's more than just an inconvenience. Warped frames, swelling from humidity, or worn hardware can make windows unsafe and unusable. In an emergency, like a storm evacuation or fire, windows that won't open properly can become a serious hazard. New replacement windows restore safety, functionality, and ease of use. You hear too much outside noise. New Orleans is vibrant and lively, but constant street noise, traffic, or neighborhood sounds don't always belong inside your home. Older single-pane windows offer very little sound insulation. If you hear everything happening outside, upgrading to modern replacement windows with insulated glass can significantly reduce noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful living space. Your home suffers after storms. From heavy rain to hurricane season, New Orleans weather can be unforgiving. If you notice leaks, water stains, or interior damage around your windows after storms, your windows may no longer be watertight. Even small leaks can lead to wood rot, mold, and costly repairs over time. Replacement windows designed for durability and weather resistance provide better protection during extreme weather events. Visible damage or deterioration, cracked glass, rotting wood frames, peeling paint, or corrosion are all red flags. These issues don't fix themselves, and they often worsen quickly in our climate. Damaged windows compromise your home's security and curb appeal while allowing moisture and pests inside. Replacing them now can prevent far more expensive structural repairs later. Your home looks outdated. Windows play a major role in your home's appearance. If they look worn, mismatched, or outdated, they may be dragging down your home's overall look and value. New replacement windows instantly refresh your home's exterior and interior, boosting curb appeal and increasing resale value, especially important in a competitive New Orleans housing market. Don't wait until small problems become big ones. If you're noticing one or more of these signs, replacing your windows sooner rather than later can save you money, improve comfort, and protect your home from New Orleans' challenging climate. Modern replacement windows are designed to handle heat, humidity, and storms while making your home quieter, safer, and more energy efficient. Your windows should work for you, not against you. If they're falling short, now may be the perfect time to upgrade.